Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I gonna show you the Mendeley reference, how to reference your thesis or paper using the Mendeley software. Today I gonna show you. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. So let's start about the Mendeley reference. First you have to need to download this Mendeley software. This is not very difficult and this is free software, Mendeley Reference Manager, and you can go any of the browser and you can download from here. This is a free software, so you can download from here. So this is free software, so you can download. So before I have a downloaded software, so I cannot download at this moment, but this is a free software, so you can click from here and you can download for Windows and MacBook for everything. So let's start. So at first I have to open this software, and before starting the software you have need a Elvasite account, and you can log in with your email and password. So don't worry, this is also free software. You can log in with free and you can log out from here. So this from here, this is sign out, and you can set the keyboard shortcut and other preference like this, so you can sign out. So I gonna show you how to log in. So this is the email which I create a account. So if you don't have any account, so at first you have to create this account using the email and password. So now I gonna log in this software. So at first email, then I input here password, and then sign in. So this is a software inside of the software, and inside of the software there is a various kind of topics and display. You can show here all reference. You can show here all reference which you include in this Mendeley software, recently added, and this recently read, and you can add the favorite which a letter show letter. So on the my publication, unsorted, duplicates, trash, you can control all of these topics or menu bar, and you can show here this notebook. You can write a note about your reference. So you can show here this is trash, and collection menu you have a create collection, so you have to write a thesis or manuscript, so you have to add a new collection, create collection, and also you also create a group from here. So now I wanna show you how to work and with this software. So this is all reference, and before this here is the add reference. You can add the reference in this Mendeley software. So import the files directly from your desktop. So suppose you have a file which include the all of the uh, paper in this folder, so you can directly insert from here, and also you can add from the individually from your file PDF, such as from here you can also like that. So I click here and open. Now this is uploading. So when the upload is complete, you can show here. Now this is a this paper include in this software, Mendeley reference software. So in this way you can add all of the references which you need. So and there is a add reference manually. You can add the paper manually. So some of the paper have a identifier, so you can use this identifier code PMate code and DOI number and something like that. You can search from here and you can add the paper here. So, and this is the title of the paper. Also, you can include the author, journal name, year, page, volume, month, and day, and abstract. So you can also add and add entry. So you can add the paper using the add reference manually. So I gonna show you how to add this. So at first you have to need a paper. So like this. So info. So here is the information of my previous paper. So if I include this in the add manually, so you can include all the information. So you can details here. So and you can add the paper in favorite section. So you have to click this kind of star. So suppose I have to click this, and now this is a favorite one, this one. So in this way you can add the favorite in the favorites option. In my publication you can also add your publication here and duplicates. So suppose this is a duplicate. So this paper is duplicate same. You have to take a action. So move the reference in trust or keep this reference only. So move reference to trust. I prefer this. So you can check the duplicate also using the Mendeley. So action and click the move reference to trust. Okay. In this way you can delete this duplicate from your Mendeley Reference Manager. And trash. So this you show just I duplicate paper. I move to the trash. Now this paper is on the trash section. So you can store it, restore it, or you can permanently delete this paper from here. So if you click this is deleted now. There is no paper in the trash now. And the collection, you can create a collection. Suppose introduction. Suppose you have to write a thesis paper, you need the introduction part, and introduction part have a separate reference. So you can create a collection like this. So introduction, and if you click the introduction and go to the all reference and just drag and drop like this. Okay. Now this paper in this introduction section. In this way you can create another uh, result like this, and you can create the go to the all reference and click this and organize. Also you can add this paper in other array. So you have created another collection result and go to the organize and add collection. There is a two part. So I have to clear result, and now the result section this paper. So in this way you can easily add this paper in the result section also collection, and in this way you can create more uh, part of the collection section and add the paper from your all reference. And you can also create a group like this. You can create a group, so cam group and click, and also you can create a group like this, and you can add the paper from your all reference. This is the way you can easily use all of the reference paper using this Mendeley software. This is easy and very useful. So later I gonna show you the tools option. From the tool option you can show here the install Mendeley web importer, install Mendeley site for Microsoft Word, and search for article online. You can also use this kind of section from here. So I gonna show you how to install Mendeley site for Microsoft Word. This is very important. This is also free software. So using this software for Word file, just click get in now, and this software automatically download from your MS Word. And now when you open your Microsoft Word from your computer, you can easily add these references using the Mendeley software. So go to the Word file. Suppose this is thesis paper. I gonna use a references in this paper. So just click here, click this section. I gonna use a references in this section, in this point. So I have to click this MS Word and go to the references, and you can saw this Mendeley size software. So just click this and get started. It takes time. You can show all of the paper here. You can add references. So using the search button, you can search of all the paper which you include in the Mendeley references. So, or you have to drag and drop down these like this, and you can click here, and you can add like this and insert one citation or two citation like this. If you click here, so now the paper is included here. So in this way, you can easily add the references in your paper manuscript like that. So after that, there another option you can search from here the references. So if I search the dry peak, so now the paper like this and insert. You can choose another area or another section, and also you can add the software, add the references like this. And this citation setting, you can change the citation style also. So you can show here the change citation style. If you click this, you can show the various kinds of citation style. So this is American Physiological Association 7th edition, the American Chemical Society like this, IEEE, Vancouver like this. You can add different kind of citation style from here. So in this way, you can easily add the add the references and citation style of your thesis or manuscript, and finally you need a bibliography in the end of the thesis or paper. So how to use that? So go to the last page of your thesis and go to the this three dot option and go to the insert bibliography. If I click this and click continue, now the bibliography is at here. So in this way, you can easily add the bibliography also from this Mendeley software. This is very interesting software. And finally, I have to go Mendeley references, and you can show this kind of option from this Mendeley references. So this is very useful. And I have to show another option. There is a filter option. So you can show there is two section, authors and tag. So you can tag if you add the tag from, if the references, and you can search from the tag also. So now I have no tags, so you include the tag and insert the tag in the paper, and you can search by the tag option, and this is the author, like that. So you can search also the author. I have to search James, James. So you can show here this is James. If I click this paper is appeared. So in this way you can easily use these Mendeley references. And another thing, so that's all today. Thank you very much. So if you like my video, and please subscribe my channel, and thank you very much.